So if you're struggling on YouTube and YouTube really isn't pushing your videos, a big contributing factor to that is your thumbnails and your title probably aren't the best. If you have a good thumbnail and a title, even regardless if your watch time is poor, YouTube is still going to push your video. I've been doing YouTube since 2022. I've released thousands of videos, and I can tell you that a great thumbnail and a title is absolutely crucial to your success on YouTube. And that's exactly why I use this product. It's called 1 of 10, and it allows you to see what is working on YouTube. What are outlier videos for other channels? So let me walk you through this. I just did a search for history here, and these are my results. So the first thing that I do is I go to filters, and I don't even use all of the features of this tool, because the basics of this tool are just so powerful that you won't use anything else. Check this out. So you want to search for outlier videos, and what this means is if the channel is producing videos, and let's say the average view is 1,000 views, and then they have an outlier video that is 10,000 views, well, that's 10x. That would be 10x. So you would want to see videos that are 10x better than their average video. I like pumping this up even more until like around 20. And if I don't get enough results, then I'll lower my outlier score, because I only want to see like the absolute best videos that are performing. And then views 50,000. And then this is really important. You want to go the last 6 months of videos, because you want to see what's popular right now. You can try 3 months, but you'll just get less results. All these things you can just tweak and get more results. And once you apply these changes, now what this number is right here is just amazing. This is worth this tool right here. There is a YouTube channel that has 697 subs, a very, very small channel. And the average video does 330 views. Well, with this thumb and this title, and of course, I've already looked at this video. It's basically just a ChatGPT video, a very easy video to do. It did 197 times better than the average of their channel. This is a true outlier. It's amazing. Like we have here, this person has a fairly large sub count, 785,000, but this did 33 times better. What I like finding is the smaller channels that have this big outlier video that are in my niche, because if I find that, I already know what works. So if I have a smaller channel, I can publish a video with a very closely related thumbnail and a very similar title. We don't want to just straight up copy, but we want to make it very close, because that's the winning formula. Why would we want to do anything else except for the winning formula to promote our videos? That's exactly what this tool will allow you to do. So another really cool thing is if you click on filter, you can also go by subscribers. If you want to see people with subscribers less than, say, 10,000 subscribers, well, now you can just look at all smaller channels and their outlier videos. This is exactly what you want to see. You just need to type in whatever your keyword is for your niche. And this history one is amazing. Look at how many outlier videos. This has 2,000 subs, and it's a 239x outlier. They average 696, and this got 166,000 views. This is exactly how you blow up a channel. This is the formula. Now, this is what I do. I go to the video, I copy the URL of the video, and then I have a thumbnail. You can just do a search for YouTube thumbnail ripper, and I'll paste it in there, and then I'll copy this image, and then I'll take that image in the ChatGPT, and then I'll say, give me a very similar image, change the face, change the outfit, maybe you change a word in the text, or maybe you change the color just slightly, but overall it looks very similar. And also I do the same thing for the title. So this says, how many times has civilization been reset? Documentary for sleep. I will take this in the ChatGPT, and then I'll say, give me 10 very close alternatives to this without changing the meaning, because this is a high CTR combination. Give me 10 examples. And then you just look and you see which one is super close, but maybe just worded just a little bit differently, but doesn't lose the meaning. And so now I have a good thumbnail, I have a winning title, and that's it. That's the formula. So if you're interested in this software, it's called 1 of 10, and I have a link in the description below. It is an affiliate link, so I do get a small commission at no additional cost to you. But once you use this tool, you'll be blown away about how easy this is, because I've taken ideas from these other channels, these outliers, and then put them on my channel. You can take a video from a related niche too and kind of like transform it to your niche, and it still works. That won't happen all of the time, but it does happen quite a bit. And especially videos in your own niche, this is the winning formula. I don't know what else to say. So good luck.